Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Question: People of which country drink snake venom? A. Chennai, B. Japan, C. Australia, D. Vietnam. The correct answer is option D. Vietnam. Next question: After how many years is Kumbh Mela held in India? A. 4 years, B. 8 years, C. 12 years, D. 16 years. The correct answer is option C. 12 years. Next question. How long after running should one drink water? A. 5 minutes, B. 8 minutes, C. 20 minutes, D. 30 minutes. The correct answer is option C. 20 minutes. Next question. In which country was the internet used first? A. India, B. Japan, C. China, D. America. The correct answer is option D. America. Next question. Which is the sourest fruit in the world? A. Common, B. Tamarind, C. Orange, D. Bijora lemon. The correct answer is option D. Bijora lemon. Next question. In which state of India is Giri National Park located? A. Goa, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat, D. Jharkhand. The correct answer is option C. Gujarat. Next question. Eating which vegetables cures more than 300 diseases? A. Cabbage, B. Bitter gourd, C. Tomato, D. Drumstick. The correct answer is option D. Drumstick. Next question. In which Indian city is Rashtrapati Bhavan located? A. Patna, B. Mumbai, C. New Delhi, D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is option C. New Delhi. Next question. Which is a country in which only 17 people live? A. Russia, B. Brazil, C. Sealed, D. America. The correct answer is option C. Sealed. Next question. Which fruit is good for eyesight? A. Apple, B. Kiwi, C. Pomegranate, D. Pineapple. The correct answer is option B. Kiwi. Next question. In which country was diamond first discovered? A. Russia, B. India, C. England, D. Australia. The correct answer is option B. India. Next question. What should one eat every morning to sharpen the brain? A. Cashew, B. Almond, C. Spinach, D. Pomegranate. The correct answer is option C. Spinach. Who was the first person hanged by the British in India? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Mangal Pandey, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option B. Mangal Pandey. Apart from India, Rabindranath Tagore has written the national anthem of which other country? A. China, B. Brazil, C. America, D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is option D. Bangladesh. Next question. Which creature can hold its breath for 6 days? A. Ant, B. Snail, C. Spider, D. Scorpion. The correct answer is option D. Scorpion. Next question. How many oceans are there in the world? A. 5 oceans, B. 4 oceans, C. 9 oceans, D. 7 oceans. The correct answer is option B. 4 oceans. Next question. Chandrayaan-3 was sent by the organization A. NASA, B. ISRO, C. JAXA, D. ROSCOSMOS. The correct answer is option B. ISRO. Next question. Colgate is a company of which country? A. China, B. Japan, C. India, D. America. The correct answer is option D. America. Next question. Which creature cannot taste sweets? A. Rat, B. Cat, C. Dog, D. Giraffe. The correct answer is option B. Cat. Last question. Where is the world's best coffee grown? A. Russia, B. India, C. Brazil, D. America. The correct answer is option C. Brazil. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.